Hello guys, now I'm going to take you through Formulas 201. In this lecture, we're going to focus more intensely on how to use formulas to perform certain operations in a more complex manner. In the previous lectures of Formula 101, we have been introduced to formula operators, arithmetic operations, functions, and what we can do with them. Now, it is our basic understanding, and we have to use the understanding that we have attained through practice and actually apply it so that we can use Notion more effectively. So for this lecture, I have chosen this Eisenhower matrix. Everybody is pretty much familiar with this, but let me just give you an understanding and what it is about. Eisenhower matrix is a very productive and organizational tool or a system which will give you a very clear understanding about what you should be doing, what you should be not doing, and a little more than that. Let me tell you something. This is pretty much a weekly organization or weekly planning system which people can adopt. So every task can be categorized as either important or urgent. So whenever you want something to be done, you have to take it into this matrix. And this matrix has 2 rows and 2 columns. The columns are urgent and not urgent. The rows are important and not important. And it is a matrix with 4 boxes. The first box on the top left is when a task or a project comes under both important and both urgent. If it is both important and urgent, you have to do that task. Here, the tasks with clear deadlines and significant consequences if not completed in a timely fashion.